Okay, hey guys, welcome for today's lesson and then we're gonna show now the ano tatalapan na ng movie? Chicken chicken with Siyempre gagawa pa ako ng movie paano ako yung title.
Ikaw, use yung creativity. Wala akong basta binigay ko sa'yo.
Babasa ako mag-isip ng title ng Title of the movie is all about the chicken virus. Yung nga pa, chicken virus. Alam mo pa kung bakit chicken virus pa yung
Hindi ko chicken virus yan ha.
Kasi nga pa yung kwento mo kasi sa akin dati, di ba yung antibiotic nga? Di ba, pinainom ng chicken yung antibiotic, tapos kinain natin yung may antibiotic na chicken. Kakain chicken virus. Okay, this okay na title, right? Okay, sige. Okay, here we go now and then. This already the flip a clip. Wait a second, guys. Flip a clip. Uh, okay, flip a clip animation. Not just animation, but flip a clip rainbow. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this, guys. Flip a clip rainbow. Here we go now, and then what we're gonna do now next is that we're gonna handle now the wait. We're gonna wait a second first, and then this on the first one we're going to the axis now the rainbow. Press the now the rainbow. Ito. And then what we're gonna do next is that 5px pixelated px guys. And then the swatch color swatches guys. 1, 2, go. Whoop. See now. Wow, a perfect circle, guys. Nice one. And then the next now is that this one, kind of one, what we're gonna do now next is this. Add image now. You're gonna have to add image right here. And then the next to show off is that, this is the flip a clip. And then, yes. What we're gonna do now is that we must remove first all these stuffs right here. Gonna remove this. The freaking show off, and then yes, going to remove all first the background here, the background guys. We must make again another YouTube channel. That's why another YouTube channel again.
Kung post yan ha.
Ha? Ano lang yan? It's all about the
Wala pang posting yan. Drop ko lang ha.
Oh, the draft only. I'm just only making the there's no post. Okay. Okay. Here we go now, guys. Ooh. What the heck? Not a perfect circle. If we're gonna do is just like this, guys. Kind of what I want for. I can do this like this. Oh, it's good. Okay. I can make now the lines. Oh. If I can do this just like the thing guys called the time lapse, I can finish it faster as I can, but I don't have a time lapse version here. And yes, I'm just only tracing guys One thing for sure, I'm just tracing. I'm tracing my pattern so that I can get a version like all of these stuffs, and then yeah. And then what we're gonna do again next is that we must first trace also this. And then I think this here, this okay.
Original ha. Ayoko ng mga ano ha.
Oh, this this is the original flip clip version first. Gano pa ako? Ooh, yes. Ay.
So kapag gumagawa ng animation, di ba pwede sa laptop?
Ha? Ay, hard eh.
Ay nako, hindi pwede dyan.
Ooh,
Doon ka,
yes.
try mo doon sa clip studio. Sumunod. Ay, wala na. Deals off. Pag doon ka mag-practice sa clip studio, di pwede dyan, masisira. Ay,
Ha?
deals off na, wala na, deals off. Sa clip studio ka, di ba pwede naman sa clip studio gumawa ng animation? Di ka marunong doon? Sayang na yung binayad ko doon.
Ano nga ako?
Kasi hindi naman, ay naku iyan, ang problema sa'yo, meron ka sariling sumunod sa instruction kasi.
Parang ganun din yun. Nasa same lang yun naman yung ano.
Masisira lang kamay mo dyan, hindi yan drawing tablet. Meron kang drawing tablet dyan, pati yung gamitin mo. Ano ba program yun? Di ba pwede sa laptop yan?
Ha? Okay, wala ano na nga. Oh, manonood din lang ako dito.
Try mo sa Clip Studio. Hindi ang ginagawa mo kasi stopgap measuring, hindi talaga yan yung proseso.
Animation tutorial.
Doon sa, wala namang Clip Studio dyan di ba? Yung Clip Studio mo nandun sa Mac.
Nanonood nga ako.
Ay naku kuya. Sayang na yung mga in-invest ko sa'yo. Uy!
Oh,
Makikinig ka ba?
na.
Ano yung pinapanood mo dyan?
Hello everyone, I'm doing a tutorial
Clip
for the
Paint.
first time in a very long time, and we're looking at Clip Studio Paint's animation today, sponsored by the lovely people at
Hindi nga ako,
Celsius,
kasi yung purpose lang kasi sa ano,
and I was
Clip
so
Studio
jazzed
kasi,
because I absolutely love
sa
this
ano lang
program.
yun, sa
I
drawing lang
recommend it to
yun, hindi siya sa
everyone, and I think
animation.
you've probably heard
Animation
that
ko na.
from people already.
Yung time na nahirapan ako
Really
kasi
good
ano lang,
price.
for example, di
It's
ba,
one-time payment.
yung
You don't
ito
have to
yung
pay
limit
monthly like
na
with the
pwede,
software,
yun yung doon lang ako
and it
nakabasa
has
nun
so
eh.
much stuff.
Wala
It pretty
limit
much
yun
covers
yung
all the bases
subscription
you
mo
need
doon.
with Photoshop.
Hindi naman sa subscription,
Anyway,
yung, I
we're
mean
gonna
yung
look at
ano,
how
yung
to animate with
frames.
this today. Gonna be doing a
Yung
short
pinupundira ko frames per
video.
second kapag
So
ano,
I'm gonna show how we do that.
natagalan talaga ako,
So when
hard
you've done
process
file
yun.
new and you're
Kaya
gonna
nga
make a new
kinakailangan
project
hanggang
here,
ngayon
you
maaga
usually
pa,
start
mag-practice
off
ka na.
on
Kailan
this
ka
piece of
mag-practice,
work
magtanda ka
under
na.
illustration.
Ay,
And what we're
10
gonna
years
want
ago,
to do is click
related.
animation. You can name your animation here. You can select your preset here,
Kasi
and
ngayon
I'd
talaga
recommend
mahirap dahil
1920
nagpa-practice
by
ngayon ka pala
1080
nag-start. Pero
as
once na
that's sort
masanay
of
ka
the
na, wala nang
resolution
problema. Ano na
standard.
Eh di ano, ito na lang repercussions. Ay ano, if there's a multimedia artist there,
Patay mo na.
papatuloy na ako sa ano. I think I can't do it ano individual. I can't, okay, I can't. In the price of thinking, I can't. And then kung ano, there's a clip paint ano artist there. And then yeah, there's lots of subscription right there. And then papatulungan na ako. And then can you make this perfect? And then can you please help me? And then if I want to go out and then let's write now a journal. And then that's it. Alam ko na kagad yun.
May help doon sa Clip Studio May technical help doon, pwede ka magtanong. Kasi biniharan ko yung kuya
And then if there's a library there, ano, I want to talk to them one by one. Hey, this student right here, are you professional in doing the clip and studio? And then, are you pro in the animation? Can you please help me doing like this?
Kuya, makinig ka. Puro pro yun nandun sa Clip Studio.
Because I'm still yet a beginner eh.
Kaya nga doon ka magtanong. Kasama sa bayad yun.
Eh, natanong lang ako sa Yung sa prof, ganon.
Sarado mo to, ibaba mo yung Mac dito ngayon din. Baba mo dito now. Tinuturuan kita kung paano mag-ano eh, kasi wala na tayong time. Ay, ilang taon ka na?
I will change my age.
Ilang taon ka na?
20.
Just answer the question. Hindi pwede sinungaling.
24.
Oo.
Wasting time!
Talagang wasting time ang ginagawa mo.
I want to...
Iyan, umupo ka dyan. Wala na tayong time, kuya. Wala na tayong time, ha? Wala na tayong time. Kaya ngayon pa lang, ititrain na kita this year, ang focus mo talaga, lahat yung mga skills mo, mahasa ka. Hindi pa pwedeng ganyan na, ay, hindi ko, ito na lang gagawin ko. Nakuha mo ba? Parang halimbawa, magdodrawing ako sa papel. Ay, hindi ko alam yung digital. Dodrawing ko na lang by kamay. Hindi pa pwede yun. Kasi digital age na tayo, kuya. Ang daming programming na makakatulong sa'yo. Instead na mag-drawing ka na napakadami, 100 pictures, na gagawin animation, doon sa click paint, pwede mong i-change lang yung ilan doon para pag pinagpato-pato mo, pwede siya mag-move. Kailan ka pa magpa-practice? Huwag ka magbuntungin niya kasi
The
buhay
age.
talaga to. Wala tayong magagawa. Huwag mo ko tingnan na ganyan. Sarado mo na to. Ibaba yung Mac dito. Ngayon din. Saka yung tablet.
Just waste.
Hindi waste ha. Huwag ko sabihin na waste yung ginagawa natin ha.